Sinomatch Foundry and Metal Forming Company Limited, belonging to the Fortune Global 500 China National Machinery Industry Company Limited, inherits over 60 years of profound professional technical accumulation in the fields of foundry, metal forming, CNC, and hydraulic from Jinan Foundry and Metal Forming Machinery Research Institute Company Limited, based on the global best practices in planning and design, engineering, general contracting, and intelligent manufacturing of automobiles by Sinomatch Automobile Company Limited and China Automotive Engineering Corporation. FMF will promote industrial innovation through technological innovation, focus on green foundry, high-end uncoiling, and intelligent equipment for commercial vehicle frames manufacturing, and create a new highland for high-end industrial mother machines. FMF has an excellent research and innovation team, consisting of 91 senior technical R&D personnel. FMF have the only engineering technology research center for high-end CNC forging equipment in the machinery industry, and engineering technology research center for foundry equipment in the machinery industry in China. FMF are authorized with over 130 intellectual property rights, including 16 invention patents, undertaking 3 national major special projects of the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology and the Ministry of Finance, 8 technological innovation projects in Shandong Province, and more than 500 high-tech research achievements. National Green Integration Major Special Project, the world's first fully automatic flask production line. Second prize of China Machinery Industry Science and Technology Award. First prize of Shandong Machinery Industry Science and Technology Award. Shandong Province Science and Technology Innovation Award. Title of Outstanding Product of Machinery Industry in the 40th anniversary of China's reform and opening up. The first benchmark in the field of foundry and metal forming machinery in China, created by FMF, is driven by intelligent IoT technology and new quality productive forces to promote high-quality development. The Digital Assembly Workshop has been successfully selected as a pilot demonstration project for intelligent manufacturing in Shandong Province. FMF have large-scale CNC machining equipment, industrial data centers, laser equipment, and various high-end intelligent detection equipment, and more than 10 management software, including Endon system, high-end intelligent tool management, intelligent logistics distribution, and MES system, etc., are perfectly integrated and run at high speed, truly realizing the full process big data management of design, procurement, quality, assembly, commissioning, and service, with paperless operations throughout the entire process, ensuring high quality, efficiency, and precision. The complete set of clean, efficient, green, intelligent foundry equipment mainly includes a fully automatic airflow high-pressure multi-squeeze molding line, a fully automatic pouring machine. The new designed airflow high-pressure multi-squeeze molding line with single molding machine and multiple national patented technologies can reach up to 120 molds per hour with a productivity. The high-speed and high-reliability airflow high-pressure multi-squeeze molding line with double molding machines can reach up to 200 molds per hour with a productivity, so that it monopolizes half of the market in China. High-end, intelligent, and complete manufacturing equipment for commercial vehicle frame, including CNC roll forming line, CNC punching line for web and flanged of U-beam with 5 punching units, CNC robot plasma cutting line, CNC king bending line, CNC combine and overlapping line by riveting for U-beams, CNC robot riveting line for cross members, and CNC integration line. Develop a complete set of flexible manufacturing equipment for commercial vehicle frames and a comprehensive solution for digital workshop construction, leading the global mid to high-end market for commercial vehicles. High-end, intelligent, and complete coil processing equipment with green surface cleaning technology, high-strength steel processing, robot automatic tool changing, high-speed and high-precision uncoiling and leveling, helps the lightweight and new energy development of the passenger and commercial vehicle industries, occupying a quarter of the high-end market. Industrial mother machinery is a strategic and fundamental industry that is related to national security and development. FMF adheres to the development concept of innovation, coordination, green, openness, and sharing. Actively lay out the transformation and upgrading of China's intelligent manufacturing, cultivate new driving forces, optimize new tracks, form new quality productive forces through soft power, promote high-quality development through hardcore power, and advance the high-end, intelligent, and green process of the automobile equipment manufacturing industry. FMF are sparing no effort to build an internationally leading and domestically first-class foundry and metal forming equipment digital factory and intelligent factory.